how to transfer Google Authenticator on new phone. Now, to transfer Google Authenticator on a new phone, it is not much of a rocket science. You just open the Google Authenticator app, and as long as you're using the same Google account, you can have your codes backed up or saved to your Google account. You can check that by tapping this cloud icon from the top left side of the screen, and here you can see it says your codes have been saved to your Google account. This is one way to do it, and this means that wherever you log in your Google account and get the Authenticator app doesn't matter, because your codes are saved to the cloud. Then that means as long as it is the same Google account, it will show up automatically. But if you also want to do this process manually, once you launch the Authenticator app, you can tap on the three lines option from the top left of the screen over there and go to transfer codes. There first you'll find the option called export codes. So from an older device from which you want to transfer, select export codes to create a QR code to export it. Transfer this QR code onto a newer phone or save this somewhere and select import codes, and just scan the QR code of the old device that you want to scan, and then basically you'll have everything transferred, like all of the accounts and services that you've added within your Google Authenticator. But a better way, as I suggested, would just be selecting this cloud backup. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.